We are going to see that example 1 now. See the questions carefully. How to read the questions twice or 3 times, then only you are going to get that some idea. Find that area of triangle. So what is the question means? Find that area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and that perimeter is 32 centimeter. So I'm going to explain the concept how to find the area of triangle by using the two sides and perimeter now by using that Heron's formula. Let me explain the concept. So I'm going to take that any sides value is 11 centimeter and 8 centimeter and perimeter value given 32 centimeter. And how to approach any question means which has only 3 rules. What are the 3 rules means? How to read the question twice, and from that you are going to write that given value, and next what you are going to prove in this question, and just you have to write that proof. And this is the 3 condition to solve that any problem here. And in this question they have given only 2 sides values and perimeter. Then we need to find the 3 sides values, because that Heron's formula, you know that one, that Heron's formula to find that area of triangle is the square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And here that s is called as that semi perimeter values, that s which is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. First we need to find the 3 sides values. I know the 2 sides in this question, I need to find the third side values. And what is given in the question means perimeter they given. Perimeter formula is a plus b plus c. So what is the value they given means 32 centimeter they given. So I'm going to consider that any given 2 sides are a and b. So that a side value is 11 centimeter, so 11 plus b value is 8 centimeter and c is that unknown value which is equal to 32 centimeter. And in that 11 plus 8 value is 90, 19 plus c value which is equal to 32 centimeter. While I am going to transport that 19 into right side, it's converted into opposite side, that means it is minus 19, and c is equal to 32 minus 19, and 32 minus 19 which is equal to 13 centimeter. So now I know the third side also. So now I know the 3 sides of this triangle. First I need to find the area of triangle, and before that I need to find the s values here. S values is nothing but the semi perimeter values is called as that s value. So I know that perimeter directly. So what is the perimeter value? 32 centimeter, and 32 divided by 2 which is equal to 16 centimeter is called as s values. So now I know that s values and as well as a values, b values and c values. So simply you are going to apply that area of triangle. So I kept that name ABC. So triangle ABC, that means I need to find that area of triangle ABC by using that Heron's formula. I have written here the formula is the square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So first one, the square root of the value of s is 16. So 16 into s minus a. So s value is 16 and a value is 11. So and next one is s minus b. So b value is 8 and 16 minus c value is 13. And now I am going to subtract and I will write the answer here, that 16 into 16 minus 11 value is 5 and 16 minus 8 value is 8 and 16 minus 13 value is 3. So I need to find the square root of these values, but if I multiple and find the square root, it will take a long term. So instead of that I am going to divide into factors. 16, the factor of 16 is 4 into 4, and 5 which has only 2 factor, 5 into 1. So simply you are going to write 5, and 8 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. So you know how to find the square root values. So if it is twice of that number, you can pick one number, that is the square root answers. So if it is 4 2 times here, so I am going to take only one time, and 2 times here I am going to take only one time. So the remaining values inside of the square root is 5 into 2 into 3. So which is equal to 4 2s are 8, and here the inside of the square root value is 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3 value is equal to 30. So 8 root 13 centimeter square is our required answers here. That's it. So now I am going to explain the second problem. Example 2. Read the questions carefully. Twice you have to read the questions and you have to identify the given values and what you are going to prove, At last you are going to write that proof. This is the 3 condition here, and everyone you can do that problem. It is very easy to find the answers. So a triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. So they have given the 3 sides values here. And next one, a gardener Danya has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. See the condition clearly. She has to put fence which represent the value is perimeter, and around it, and next condition, and also plant grass means which represent the value is plant grass means inside of that area she need to plant grass, so that represent the value is area. So in this question they have given that perimeter and as well as area. And next condition is how much area does she need to plant, that means we need to find that area of triangle. And next one is find the cost of fencing. Here that word fencing which represents the value is perimeter, and with barbed wire at that rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for gate on one side. So what is given means, first we need to find that perimeter values, and from the perimeter we need to subtract 3 meter, because the 3 meter length it is going to use for that gate, and we need to subtract from that perimeter. At last we are going to find multiple with 20, we will get the total cost values, and this is the method to find the answer. Yes, now I will explain that concept. Let me see the answer. Yes, how to find that area and as well as fencing and total cost of fencing also. So from the example I have written that all the given values here. A value the given 120 meter, and B value is 80 meter, and C value is equal to 50 meter. I have drawn the diagram also. We must need the diagram to represent the concept here, because we have taken the triangular shape, and in this first we need to find that area of triangle. So here they didn't give the height of the triangle, so we must use that Heron's formula to find that area of this triangle. And what is the formula to find that area of this triangular land means is nothing but the square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And here we know that A values, B values and C values. Next we need to find the S values here. And what is the formula to find the S value means A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is called as half of the perimeter. And I know that A values is equal to 120 plus B values is equal to 80 and C values is equal to 50, that all the one is the same unit, so that only I didn't write that any unit values here. And if I am going to add that all the values and divided by 2, which is equal to, you can add these values here. 120 plus 80 value is 200, 200 plus 50 value is 250, so 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 125 meter. So now I know that S values is equal to 125 meter. We know that all the values S, A, B, C. Simply are going to apply that formula. You will get that area value. That's it. That formula is, instead of that S, I am going to replace the value is 125 meter. S into S minus A. That means 125 minus A value is 120, and 125 minus B value is 80, and 125 minus C value is 50. And you know how to subtract the numbers, so you have to subtract and write the answers first. 125 into 125 minus 120 value is 5, and 125 minus 80 value which is equal to 45, and into that 125 minus 50 value which is equal to 75. So we need to find that, already I taught the concept. First we need to find the factors. It is very easy to segregate all the values here. So 125 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 value is 25, 25 into 5 value is 125. So this is all the factor of 125. And next factor is 5 into that factor of, so the 45 factor is 45. We need to find the factors, and if I am going to take 5 table 9 times, and 3 and 3 and 3 and 1 time, so the factor of 45 is 5 into 3 into 3. And next I need to find the factor of 75 also. The factor of 75 is, I am going to apply that 5 table 1 time and remaining 2, that means 5 times, and again 5, and next value is 3 and 3 1 time. So now we know the factor of 75 also, 5 into 5 into 3. So now we know the factors here. It is very easy to find the square root values. Already you learned the concept from the 8th standard, square and square roots. So by using that, I am going to divide into pair of values 1, 2, 2, and here 1, 5, and here 1, 5, and here 3, 2 3s are there. So simply I am going to write that values 5 one time, and if it is 2 times I am going to take 1 time, and here 1 5s are there, so I am going to take 1 time. Here 2 3s are there, so I am going to take 1 3, and then the remaining square root value is 5 into 3. So next I am going to multiply these values. 5 into 5 value is 25, 25 into 5 value is 75, 75 in 5 into 5 value is 25, 25 into 5 value is 125, 125 into 3 value is equal to 375, and inside of the square root value is 5 3s are 15. 15 is not a it is not a four-fold square, so that only I have written the root 15 same as. So the answer is 375 root of 15 meter square is called as a required area. Yes. And what we need to find that next concept means, next we need to find the total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. Fencing means nothing but that is called as perimeter values, and already we found the perimeter values here, and we know how to find the perimeter of this land. So perimeter, which is equal to sum of all side. First we need to find the perimeter which is equal to a plus b plus c, and you know that value of a value is 120, and b value is 80, and then c value is 50. So I'm going to add that all the values. I will get the answer is equal to 250 meter. That is called as required perimeter values. In that perimeter, I need to subtract 3 meter. Why we need to subtract 3 meter means the 3 meter length we are going to use for making a gate. So from that, I'm going to subtract 3 meter. I will get the answer yes. So now I'm going to subtract 3 meter from the 250 meter. So I will get the answer is equal to 247 meter, and which is the total length, which is required length to make the fencing by using that wire. And next we need to find the, now I know that required length values. Next we need to find the cost values, and what is given in the question means that cost per meter they given. The cost per meter, that means for making fencing they given the values cost per meter which is equal to 20 rupees. Then how to find the total cost means is nothing but the total cost which is equal to total length into cost per meter, and this is the general formula to find the total cost. If I am going to take the total length, we should write total length here. We need to find the cost of total area means nothing but instead of length we are going to use that area. That's it. So the total length value is 247 meter, and then cost per meter of length wire is 20 meter. If I am going to multiple these two values, I will get the answer is equal to 4,940 rupees, and this is called as the total cost. So therefore our record total cost is which is equal to rupees 4,940, and this is the solution. Yes. We are going to see the chapter class 9 chapter 12 example 3. The question is the sides of triangular float are in the ratio of 3:5:7, and its perimeter is 300 meter, and we need to find that area values. And see the condition is, first we need to identify the given values. In the questions, sides ratio they given 3:5:7, perimeter they given 300 meter, and we need to find that area. First I am going to write that given values. What is given means a ratio of sides they given 3:5:7, and ratio means is nothing but the simplest form of your fractions. So it is not a exact value of this triangle. So we need to find that exact value of triangular first, and then only we are going to find that area of triangle. Then how to find that area of that means sides of the triangle means nothing but I am going to take it as one common value multiple with each fraction, it's converted into equivalent fraction. So I am going to consider that first side as a which is equal to 3x. I am going to take that x values multiple with each fractions, that means each ratio values. And next side as b, so what is the next value means 5, so I am going to write it as 5x. and third side value is 7, so I'm going to write it as 7x, and these are all the three sides values. Now I know the three sides values here. Next we need to find the value of these three sides. How to find that value is nothing but they have given that perimeter value is 300 meter. So by using the perimeter values we need to find that equivalent, that means common value, and we should multiply that common value in that each ratio, we will get the exact value of sides. So let me see that how to find that answer exact sides values here. And here what is given means perimeter the given, so perimeter which is equal to 300 meter, and I know that formula to find the perimeter, sum of all sides, so a plus b plus c, which is equal to 300 meter. And next condition is I know that a value is, b value is, c values. I am going to replace instead of that abc, so a value is 3x and b value is 5x and c value is 7x, which is equal to 300 meter. And I am going to add the values now. 3 plus 5 value is 8, 8 plus 7 value is 15, so 15x which is equal to 300, and x which is equal to that 15 transport into right hand side, that's converted into division, and 300 divided by 15 meter, so one time and then two time, remaining 1 zeros are there, so x values is equal to 20 meter. So now I know that x values here, I'm going to apply it in the each x values, I will get the exact sides values here. The first side value is 3x, so I know that x value is equal to 20, so 3 into 20 which is equal to 60 meter. And next one, 5 into x value is 20, so 5 into 20 values is equal to 100 meter, and next value is 7x, so 7 into 20 which is equal to 140 meter. And this is our exact value of these sides. The first side value is 60 and second side value is 100 and third side value is 140. So now I know that all the sides values. Next I need to find that area of this triangle now. Then how to find that area means it's nothing but by using the Heron's formula we need to find the area of, that's it. So area which is equal to, what is the Heron's formula means, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. In that we need to find the s values here. So s which is equal to half of the perimeter, so a plus b plus c divided by 2. And before is that we found that answer is that a plus b plus c which is equal to 300 meter. So instead of that I am going to apply that value is 300 divided by 2, and if I am going to divide these two values I will get the answer is equal to 150. So 150 meter is called as s values. So now I know that all the values here, s values is equal to 150 meter and a values is equal to 60 and b values is equal to 100 and then c values is equal to 140. So I am going to apply the formula, I will get that required area, that's it. So s values is equal to 150, and next condition is s minus a, so 150 minus a value is 60, and next one is s minus b, so s value is 150 and b value is 100, and then next value is s minus c, so 150 minus c value is 140, and I'm going to subtract that value is 150 into 150 minus 60 value is 90 into 150 minus 100 value is 50 into 150 minus 140 value is equal to 10. So before that I need to write the factors because all the one is the multiplication of tens. So first I am going to write that 150 as 5 into 3 into 10, and 90 it is written as 3 into 3 into 10 plus 55 into 50 means 5 into 10, and last one is 10. And next one I need to find the square root of these values, and you know how to take the square root values here. Listen carefully. So here 110 and 110, so I am going to write 1 time, and next one here 2 tens are there, so I am going to write 110, and next one 2 threes are there, so 1 3 I am going to write, and next one here 1 5 and here 1 5, so I am going to write 1 5, and the remaining value is 3, that is the unpaired number, so I am going to write inside of that square root values. So next I need to multiply this all the values. 10 into 10 value is equal to 100, 100 into 3 value is equal to 300, 300 into 5 value is equal to 1500, so 1500 root 3 meter square. This is our required area of this triangle. Now we found that answers, that area of triangle which is equal to 1500 root 3 meter square, and it is very easy to find the answers. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for updates, and share to the links to your friends for that update. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell button for updates.